continue on today on our discussion on managing nitrogen as a system. Today we'll focus on UAN, stands for urea ammonium nitrate. It is a solution, weighs 10.67 pounds per US gallon, and contains 3 pounds of N per gallon. It has a concentration of 28% nitrogen. It's a 50-50 mix of urea and ammonium nitrate. Salts out around minus 18 Celsius, so it's a good cold weather product over winter in Ontario. It is possible to get a 32% solution when the season is warmer, and it salts out around 0 degrees Celsius. UAN has a great flexibility in its application timing. It can support a pre-plant or side dress both early and late, as well as a good carrier for pre-plant herbicides. So it has great flexibility in a cropping system. Because it contains urea, it is subject to volatilization losses if left on the soil surface, especially when there's a tremendous amount of crop residue. It's the urease enzyme, which is abundant in crop residues, breaks apart the urea into ammonia, and it's subject to loss back into the atmosphere. Under warm, drying conditions, high pH soils, sandy soils, low buffering capacity, the losses of urea can be quite substantial. If left on the surface for more than 2 days unincorporated, you can lose up to 40% of the urea portion. The ammonium and nitrate parts are subject to transformation changes based on the N cycle and environmental conditions. So the ammonium part, of course, is readily plant available. It also is subject to nitrogen cycle transformations and can be turned into nitrate within a few days. And the nitrate is readily plant available as well, but it's also subject to environmental losses. So if you get excessive rainfall on sandy soils, you have the potential for leaching losses. And under clay soils with saturated conditions, you get denitrification and nitrogen loss in that way as well. So that is UAN for today. We will continue on. Tomorrow we'll start talking about nitrogen stabilizers and how they're used and where they're used and how effective they are. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening. Stay safe and stay healthy.